There's nothing better than walking out in your backyard and grabbing everything you need to make a fresh salad. It's mid-October. I'm still picking beautiful romaine lettuce, and it's so crisp and so delicious. And I also have some red leaf lettuce, which also just adds a nice little color to and another crunch to the salad itself. And I have cucumbers going, believe it or not. I have some nice slicer cucumbers going, and they're really delicious right now. They got nice super sweet, and I see someone else that would like to have it. And this nice celebrity tomato, man, this thing is delicious and ready to go in my salad. And guess what? I'm gonna pop in some banana peppers because they're like so crunchy and they're sweet, and I love them in my salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I make my lunch and why I have a garden in my backyard. So I rinsed off everything, and now it's time for me to make my lunch for work. And that's why I love the most about growing my own food is I don't have to run to the store or buy a salad mix in a bag. I just step outside, pick what looks good, and make something fresh. So I'm gonna start with this lettuce. Basically, I use the romaine for the crunch. The red leaf is kind of for the color, but I also get some nice crunch. And I slice up this wonderful cucumber. I love cucumbers, especially the way it absorbs all the nice oils and vinegars. And I did have to get one thing from a farmer's market, which is an onion, because I try to grow onions and I just don't have the room for it. And I think one year I'm gonna master that. But for now, I mean, I have a farmer's market that's not too far where I could grab some of the onions. Some things you just buy and some things you grow. But anyway, this beautiful celebrity tomato is something that I've been looking at through my kitchen window, and I am here ready to eat it. And boy, that looks good. So I think this salad I'm just gonna really enjoy because, you know, everything like is pretty much from the garden. Even the onion is from a garden, but at least it's not sprayed with insecticides, herbicides, and all that stuff. But I had to go grab the pepper real quick, so I did forget the pepper. But anyway, I'm gonna slice this pepper up, and these are sweet banana peppers, and these basically produce nonstop all year. Like this year was amazing, and you just really need these little ingredients to really make things great. And I like to add my own little spices. I'm just showing you, I'm gonna be adding dill, and then I do put some fresh ground pepper. And these are all stuff that you could just buy at like Costco. Obviously, that's where I got these. And I put a little bit of sea salt in there. Kind of making my own vinaigrette. And then I just kind of top it off with some olive oil. I do put oregano in there too. But some olive oil. And I like balsamic vinegar. It's a little sweeter, you know, adds a little sweetness. But I like it because it's not so bitter as like regular red wine vinegar. And that's basically my salad, and I love it, and I think it's great, and I really enjoy it. And basically, I did make some tuna salad earlier. Actually, my wife made it. I can't take the credit, and it was really good. And this gives me the proteins that I need on top of the salad. Sometimes I do load it up with some cheese. I just didn't have feta cheese or Swiss, but this is basically my salad. And man, this is something that I look forward to when I'm on lunch at work, because it gives me all the fresh ingredients I need without slowing me down with fried foods or like eating pizza or whatever. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon. That kind of just adds to the tuna a little bit. My grandmother always used to put lemon on her tuna salad, and it just adds like a nice little kick to it. It kind of cuts through the kind of the fishy taste. Some people don't like the fishy taste of tuna, so kind of the lemon does help. But I am also going to put a little bit of balsamic on the very top. Sometimes I'll buy the balsamic drizzle, and put that on the top, and that really just makes it excellent. So fresh, homegrown, and real. That is the reward for growing your own food. Okay, see you next time.